Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen. Today we got air fryer chicken wings. Before we get started, big special thanks to all you subscribers, commenters, likers. We're up to 986 subscribers. Thank you for spending time with us and checking out our videos. If you want an in-depth, deep smoked wings, deep fried, we've got a link. We'll put you here for some Traeger Game Day wings that we did with Levi as guest chef. But if you just went Christmas shopping, you just got back, you're beat, you don't want to spend hours doing chicken wings, and you have an air fryer, we've got a simple recipe. What we have, I've got 10 wings that we split into 20. So I got the 10 flats and 10 drumettes. I got SPG, garlic powder, and tropical, and a little bit of olive oil. And that's it. So we'll get this ready here in a few seconds and we'll get this in the air fryer going and you guys will come along for the journey. So we'll get started by putting our chicken wings in a mixing bowl. A little bit of olive oil. Some SPG. Marcus, don't be cheap. Be liberal, you're already here. Some garlic powder, or a lot of garlic powder, because you guys know we love garlic here. And Triple M likes this tropical because it has the color that she likes, and the little Latin flair, right?
Yeah.
So we'll get that going with some tropical seasonings. If I were to guess, I would say about 2 tablespoons tropical seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, maybe 1.5 tablespoons of SPG, if I were to guess, but I'm not a betting man. Then I'll go ahead and give these a toss. And you guys saw in our intro that our executive producer made for us. Oh, shout out Big Bro, hashtag Big Bro Oliver. I'm tossing some wings because we've done wings before on our channel. And this is really quick. Can you see that? Is that coming on in that? See how they're all seasoned up? Now, the hard part. Get this out of the way. Get my air fryer basket. Get my tongs, fancy. And I'll put them in here and I'll line them up. And because this house, we fight, there's a big argument around here on drumettes and flats. So I'll put the flats on one side. Anyone want to guess who fights with flats over here in this house? Anyone? Viewers, comment down. Who? I'm not gonna tell you now. Anyone want to guess who's fighting for those flats? And Alicia's not here yet, but those drumettes don't last when she's here. But the flats and the drummies, one of us likes the flats, one of us likes the drummies. So together we make a perfect match. Ta-da! Off to the air fryer we go. We'll put this in the air fryer. You guys saw that. Come back. You guys saw we did the rotisserie chicken, our infamous air fryer. And I didn't tell you the backstory on that. We had a lightning strike that hit the pool enclosure and we lost our air fryer, the fridge, the sprinkler system. We lost a lot. Anyways, we went to Kohl's, we got this. And we also got the Instapot where we did that local Instapot and the taquitos. But back to the air fryer. We'll go ahead and we'll load this up into the air fryer in the air fryer rack. I'll go ahead and set it like the George Foreman, set it and forget it. Let's do it again. Air fry. I'll do 10 minutes at 370 degrees and then I'll rotate. Be back in 10 minutes, guys. Timer just went off. You missed the beep. Gonna open it up and flip out all our wings. Can you see the color on there? Now let's go ahead and flip and clean the mess up afterwards. Now we're gonna add this again, and now we're gonna go 11 minutes at 390 degrees. So 11, 390, and we should be crispy, golden, enjoying chicken wings. So we got our wings going a few minutes, but Triple M mentioned while I seasoned that, you guys saw that was simple. There's other options. We can do chicken wings many, many ways.
Yes, and different kind of seasoning depending on what you want or what you like. I like just adobo, lime or naranja agria with culantro and achote, which is for the color.
Yep, she likes that culantro, which is that tropical season that we use for the color, and the little packets that we've done on a bunch of recipes as well.
So, because he did it this way, doesn't mean that you need to do it dry and with that kind of seasoning. You can do it your way.
This is just a technique for the air fryer. For those that have air fryers at home, you can come join us on our journey.
¿Qué le iba a decir en español?
You can.
Para los que quieren hacerlo de una manera diferente, pueden ponerle todo tipo de sazones, como a usted le guste, no necesariamente el sazón que Michael acaba de usar. A mí me gusta con adobo y el de tropical o culantro y achote, y con limón o con naranja agria, todo depende. Así que lo pueden hacer con el sazón que a ustedes mejor les guste.
So Jimmy B, Will, I know you guys are checking it out. Comment down below, let us know if you like. Time's up. Let's look at our masterpiece. I'll make sure Triple M comes and gets close on this, but come get a close up, please. How's that look?
Look at that color.
And that was what, 20 minutes? That was crispy chicken wings. I'll take about half of these, making sure to get a mix of the drums and the flats. And then I'll toss these with some Frank's. What's the saying in the commercial says? You put that on everything. Some Frank's and some ghost pepper, which Levi was here. Just a dusting. And then toss. And then I'll go ahead and add this on the other side as to keep it safe for other folks that are enjoying.
Yeah, don't mix it.
I'll get that there. And blue cheese, not ranch, blue cheese, and we're ready to eat. You got your picture?
Yes.
So we're good. I'll go ahead and taste the hot one, crispy, quick, delicious, hot, just a little hot. Want to taste one?
I'm in PJs.
Just come get one. That's good, guys. And she reached for the flat. I like the drumming, she likes the flats. And?
That's good. Oh my gosh.
Guys, again, thanks for your support. If you like the video, like the video. Thanks again for subscribing, your comments, we love it. Comment down below if there's anything you want to try or make. Subscribe for more. That said, a buen tiempo. Bye, guys.
Ni nada más.
¿O te gustaron? La que no quería pollo.
Tus tamones ya están hechas.
Bye, guys.
That's good.